in today's video, we're going to create a text behind person effect on Capcut. So if you're interested, let's get started. You need a good video, guys. I got this one for the sake of this video from Pixabay and it looks great. The second step is to upload the video on Capcut using your smartphone. It's very accessible. Make sure to upload the original clip of your video, like what I'm doing now. I just uploaded the video I downloaded from Pixabay. Go down to the text icon and type in whatever you feel, whatever you want to type in. I chose freedom, not knowing why, but I feel it's represent the video perfectly. You can use any font and color of your choice. For this video, I'm using Marvin font and white text. Also, make sure to drag the text to the end of the video so that you can easily add animations to it. When you're okay with what you've done, go to the animation icon and you can choose the zoom out animation. That's what I use for this video. You can also play with the speed, that's up to you. Look at how that came out perfectly. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the text and split the text into two so that I'll be able to put in the outro. And then I'll go ahead to add the outro by splitting the text. And I also use the zoom in animation for my outro. Look at that. When you're quite okay with what we have done, go ahead and export the video to your gallery. And I'll meet you in the last step. And so we're in the last step. The last step is to go back and click on the create a new project icon. You're going to import the edited video first and then the original clip. So this is the video I edited. I'm going to go back to my gallery and import the video I did not edit. That's the original clip. When you're done with that, click on the overlay icon below to drag the original clip right below the edited clip like this. When that is done, tap on the original clip and then click on the remove background icon below to remove the background of the original video. So this is going to take some seconds to get the background 100% removed. So you just have to wait. This effect is really amazing. You can use it when you're vlogging or any video of that sort. It really looks cool. Now make sure to check out for errors. If there are none, then you're good to go. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you actually think about this effect? Because I think it's very cool. Like, it's really awesome. When you're satisfied with the editing, just go ahead and export the video to your gallery. Finally, guys, let's check out the end result.
Break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love.
I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of lifestyle and creativity content on this channel. See you next time. For now, bye.